Okay, guys, so, hey, hello, I'm gonna start over because I didn't like. Hello, and thank you for clicking on this video unless you're on some kind of playlist or you're just clicking random videos. I don't know, but hello. And today I'm gonna be doing a trading party as I promised. I'm like an hour and 30 minutes late for it, but whatever. So me and my friend were discussing what kind of video we should do, and she said, I'm just gonna tell her I'm doing a trading party. Good, I'm already recording. So yeah, I'm gonna do a trading party because first off, it's just gonna be a party exclusive for people who just want to trade, which is good because I like to trade. And she said, okay. So I just traded my pink long right now for, I don't even think it was a fair trade, but I saw this tan scarf and I'm like, oh, isn't that like super rare? So I'm like, oh, I'll trade it. So yeah, I got this scarf, this, that, and I got these two dem betas for it. It wasn't that fair for a pink long. Do not like bids that are parties. Well, it's time for a change. At my den. Specifically at my den? Why? That's messed up, bro. Anyways. See, I'm like an addict at trading. I heard people offer like, aww, that's so cute. I like this one and this one. You know, I like both. Oh, they're opposite colors. That's cool. That's super cool. I have like no very long stuff. You see, I get all caught up in trading. Okay. Trading party on my den. Recording. Okay. I got one person there so far. So, yep. BRBs. So it's been about a minute or two, and there's already 6 people, which is like super rare for me. You have a silver diamond choke spike and wire trade. That's nice. Man, a black. I'm sorry, I get all cut up. Now there's only 5 people. Oh, never mind, there's 6 again. Yep. So you see what happened was. I saw this store and I already have all this stuff. I have this and that. I don't have these, but OMG, I suck. So I just traded.
She might just as pretty as before. They're wet though, I'm gonna let them go dry. But she's still soft and everything too.
Okay, thank you.
Huh?
Okay, so now there's 8. There's As I was saying, there are 8 people at my den, but I just got 9, so that's good. Snowy Pop. Why are people invisible? I don't get it. OMG, I'm so cold. Ooh, yay, 11 people at my den. This is going great. I love this. Trading party money. Recording as well. I want peacock feathers. So yeah, I just traded a pink worm for a train set and a falcon perch. 12 people at my den. And I've been wanting a falcon perch for like the longest time, so I'm really happy I got that because I sometimes get laggy when my falcon is flapping too long, so I just want to sit it down. It's just like it just looks boring just sitting there, so I wanted the falcon perch. Do you have art you can add? So yeah. character. Okay, anyways, trading. How about you trade at my trading party? Oh, did he end up going? Oh, because there's 13 now. I'm just gonna say everyone's at my trading party. Yep, see, 15 people are there. I'm so happy. $16 people, yes. Party. Okay. I think once people are arriving, they're leaving because it's not that packed. I really want these 3 people to come. Okay, so the fox and the peacock and another. Okay, I can't remember, but left to my part. What? There's 15? There was just 17 people. Why? Wow, that's messed up. Well, that's messed up. Can you please go to my trading party? You'll make it 15. Yippee! At least there's 10 people who are actually staying. I'm not sure where those 4 are going. Is she gonna, never mind. Oh, this sucks. Okay, well, I guess let's go trade now. 14 people to trade with. I'm recording. Everyone say hi. So, okay, well, yep. Hi, hi. Yay! People are saying hi. Yay! No, I was too late. I love her look. It's so cute. I have an obsession with red pandas. OMG. Ah. Oh, no, wait. What was that? I was clicking on random stuff. Token on trade. Okay. And she left. Everyone's leaving. Everyone's leaving. Well, everyone's leaving, and I just showed up. I didn't even get to do one trade. I'm just telling people where to find my channel so they can see themselves. A lot of people are starting to buddy me. OMG, backpack overload. I like backpacks. They're cool for school. Yeah, I'm recording. Rainbow! That's my baby sister. Rainbow, Jojo! With trade. Rainbow! Jojo! Huh? Was you a cat? I don't know. And I want to trade. Can someone please trade me? Whoa! Whoa! That looks
The movie ended?
freaking awesome.
Can I put another one on for you?
Oh, XD, my spikes are not as good as rare. OMG. Let's try DJ Kawaii Ghost. That sounds like a pretty cool name. Me can look like hopeful tomorrow. Okay, that's nice. Oh, look at that! Wow, wow, geez. I'm not being sarcastic. I really like this stuff. These used to be in the whatchamacallit, the Coral Canyon store. They had a bunch of these heart rings, and suddenly they just like went and got so rare after they came out. I was like, really? I never had a thing for them. Wow, views. I only have like 17 subscribers. Oh, by the way, guys, I still have that giveaway for my 2 wrist spikes. Red long wrist spike. Okay, what is this? Sorry, it's not that fair. Yeah, it's one of these. I have duplicates of these, so that's why I'm trading one of them and giving away one of them. Mar giveaway. I swear, I cannot spell.
I can't do anything without you getting into something else. Are you done with these crackers?
Wow. Okay then. I said YouTube. Man, this. Okay. Crap! They figured it out. Yep, so guys, please go sign up for the giveaway. Ah, crap, I did it wrong. I want as many people as possible to get a chance to win. The 2 spikes I'm giving away is my red long spike wristband and one of my pink long wristbands. I'm going to give these 2 away. So yeah, I want as many as people to get entered in this because just so a lot of people have a chance to get a cool item. I'm not sure if my bestie signed up. What do we do? Go on giveaway video and find out. Or I can just read the description. Okay, bye. Why can't I press this D? OMG, I suck. Okay, guys, so yeah. What your can. Oh. Okay. And thank you for watching this video. That's nice. Oh, wait, who is this? Oh, this is Bestie? Bestie was here? I didn't realize that. Bestie! I kind of changed that photo. Oh my gosh. Someone's gonna hate me. Anyways. GTG, guys. GTG. Well, actually, TTYL because I can't answer that. I can't answer. Z. OMG, I love your voice. What is this? Sphinx? You doing a live? I don't like lives. Why do people do lives? I don't even know how to do a live. So yeah. Bye.